think cybersecurity is someone else's job? Here's why it starts with you and me. I am Abdurrahman Al-Gammal, the CEO of Gammal Tech, reminding you that in an age of hyperconnectivity, our weakest link is often human error. One click on a phishing email, one outdated firewall, and everything from personal data to business secrets can be compromised. But there's good news. Simple steps make a massive difference. Verify email sources, update your software regularly, and never reuse passwords across platforms. When each of us stays vigilant, we protect not just ourselves, but our entire network. So today, take one step. Maybe enable two-factor authentication, or remind a colleague to do the same. Because cybersecurity is a team sport, and we all need to play.